Somebody read I talk my shit. Got my brother Tyler editing and shit.
Yeah, I'm ready.
What made me get the hip hop piano out on you niggas?
Yeah, I'm ready.
John Legend in the
Didn't I leave you toothless, two spit if your mouth move ruthless. Head crack, head smack, frozen off your kufi. Colors ain't no tape, it's like a horror movie. Fuck you dudes thinking we came for municipal purpose. She call us perfect, but you buying the purses. Keep your mind on track, can't get lost with these verses. Got my stay. I don't fuck with none of you niggas, you ain't Bush. Ain't no need for the voting, don't send me no links. Ain't no need for promotion, keeping you open, bars be
right. That's how I feel, but I know when they right. Sin and passion, but intentions is right. Party hard to discover different layers.
Riding down your block with cold niggas, you bold niggas, step on watch your soul get took, the master.
For that, take all you got, and then we run it with that. Heavy nigga, chest head, move when I flex, do it the best. You should be scared of what we gon'.
It's like, nah, nigga, I feel like that's how Mystical used to rap, like.
The song never left me told this bullshit is alone. Please listen to my song. Please listen to my song.